Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing good. So today, in this video, I am going to tell you something about a new topic related to Art Integrated Project. Okay, so this video is all about Art Integrated Project for the session 2021-22, and here I would like to include the subject English and SST. Okay, so this student, I would like to tell you that I will be explaining. Okay, I will be explaining you about this thing in the Zoom meeting also. Okay, but I would also like to explain it here in the video. Fine. So before proceeding towards topic, first of all, let us understand what is art and why it is integrated in your syllabus, or I can say in your curriculum. Okay, that why is this art included in your curriculum. So first of all, let us understand what is art. Here I am going to explain that what is art and why, or what does it means. Okay, what does art means, or what happens when an art is integrated with any other subject. Okay, what happens when it is integrated with other subject? What is the outcome of it? Fine. So first of all, let us know what is an art. So an art is a skill or something that needs skill. Okay, so what is an art? It is a skill, or it is something which needs skill. It is the activity or skill of producing things. Okay, so art is the activity or skill. Skill means ability. So it is the activity or ability of producing things such as painting, designing, sketching, etc. Okay, so when you paint, when you design, or when you sketch something, it means that you have got a skill in such field. Fine? Okay. It can be verbal, written, enactment, or visual. Okay, so an art can be verbal in the form of saying, in the form of words. It can be written in the form of writing. It can be enactment or visual. Clear? Okay, so this is the definition of art. Okay, so you have understood that art is a capacity or an ability of a person which can be put in a piece of paper or in the form of modeling or making some creativity. Fine. So an art is a skill or something that needs skill. Fine. You understand now what is art? Okay. So art is an act of expressing feelings. Okay. So what is an art? Art is an act of expressing your feelings, your thoughts. Okay. Your observation. That means whatever you see and then you used to note down, or you can write down, or you can draw it in a piece of paper. Okay, so this means that whatever you have observed, you put down it in the form of painting, or in the form of making any clays or anything. Fine. So art can be integrated with various subjects. Okay, so art can be integrated, it can be mingled with many subjects. Okay, and when art is integrated with education, it helps the child to apply the art-based inquiry. It helps the child to apply investigation, okay, and exploration. Okay, it helps the child to explore. It helps the child for critical thinking and creativity for a deeper understanding. Fine. That means when you apply it in education, you will try to investigate something, or you will try to explore something, or you will try to critically think it something. Okay, and this thing will be your creativity. Okay, towards that particular topic or towards that particular concept. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now let us see what are the forms of art. So, forms of art. Yeah, painting or sketching, sculpture or clay modeling, literature, poetry or story writing, video making or photography, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and there are many other forms of art. So all these things can be included in your topic. Fine. So Now let us understand that how you can use all these things in a video. Okay, so here in our English and SST particularly, we are asking you to make a video, okay, regarding the topic whatever you are choosing. Okay, so how should be your video, how you are going to present yourself? Okay, that means how should your presentation be? So first of all, what you should do, you should wear your school uniform, okay, very neat, clean and tidy. Okay, you must comb your hair properly, okay, and you should put a smile on your face. Okay, that means when you are making your presentation, when you are making your video, your face should be smiling, not laughing. Remember, it should not be laughing but just smiling. Okay, so what are the points you should keep in mind? So first is, you would greet good morning to all, fine, and then you would tell your full name. Okay, so first of all you will say good morning to all, and then you will tell your full name, like you will say my name is Mamta Khanna. Okay, and then you will tell your class, I am the student of class 7th, or I am reading in class 8, my section is B or whatever. Okay, and you could also tell your age if you want. You can also say your age. Okay, that like suppose if you are 13 years or 14 years old, you can tell I am 14 years old or I am 13 years old. Or even if you want to skip, you can skip it. Okay, and then next comes the name of your school. You will tell the name of your school. What is the name of your school? It is the Horizon School. Okay, you can say I am a student of the Horizon School. Right? And after that, you will clearly tell the name of the topic. Whatever topic you are going to choose, you will tell the name of the topic. Okay, and after telling the name of the topic, you will say that now I am going to give a brief explanation about my topic. Okay, and then you will give the introduction. Fine, whatever topic you have chosen, you will tell the introduction of it. You will tell the body of it, that means the things. Okay, that what it consists of, the topic, what it consists of, what are the advantages and disadvantages or whatever it is in the topic. Okay, you will tell it, and then you will tell the conclusion, that what you have learned from it, or why it is important, or whatever is the conclusion, you will tell it. Fine. And lastly, what will you say? You would say greetings. That means you would say thank you for watching my video. Okay, so these are the things you should keep in mind while making your video. And remember, your sentence must be grammatically correct. Okay, use grammatically correct English. Fine. So this is what I am going to tell you. And now here, the SST part also would be added here. Okay, so in SST part, social science part, whatever ma'am has given the topic, she would tell you that what are the topics. Okay, so you listen carefully. She will explain you that what you have to do and how you have to create your project work, how you are going to complete your project work. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, very good.